Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fomo app running slow overall, taking a while to open screens or response to tabs even when the market isn't busy? Here's the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and free up space by offloading unused apps since apps handling live data slow down significantly when storage is nearly full. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Fomo competes with background apps for memory while pulling live prices and feed content. Go to settings, then go to display and brightness and turn off low power mode if it's on since it throttles overall performance and directly causes sluggish response times. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown after extended use. So all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode and restart your iPhone. Fomo runs smoothly again and that's it. Subscribe.